How to fix the Bluetooth not working on your Chromebook. So if you're trying to connect one of your Bluetooth devices and it's not connecting, or it is connecting but you just can't hear any sound, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is come down to the bottom right hand side of your taskbar, go and click on the drop down next to this power symbol and go and click on restart. Sometimes a simple restart can go and fix quick issues. Now if that's not working, open up the start menu in the bottom left hand side and click on settings. From this left hand navigation, come all the way to the bottom and click on About Chrome. Now where it says check for updates, click on this button and just ensure your computer is fully up to date. If it's still not working, then come over to this left-hand navigation and click on Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on like you see here. And then you can click on this Pair New Device button. You'll then be able to see all of your Bluetooth devices in the area. Go and click on your Bluetooth device. If it's still not working after you've connected your device, then simply go and select your Bluetooth device and click on this Forget button and then just go and press Forget. Once you've disconnected your Bluetooth, go and click on the pair button once again and you can try reconnecting to the Bluetooth. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.